Looseless hair. Looseless hair, guys. Happy new month, you all. Hope you guys are all good. We thank God for the new month. Thank God for the gift of life. If you're alive today, it's a miracle. Don't worry about anything else. Just thank God for the life, and every other thing will fall in place, okay? Thank God for the gift of life, for that you can breathe freely. Some people need oxygen to breathe. You can breathe freely, honestly. Thank you for your mercy. I don't usually like combing my hair. I use my hand to detangle. Yeah, just to minimize the breakages. This light is not showing, it's not showing well. I don't know whether it's from my phone or yeah, the natural light. I'm gonna be washing my hair today. It's been nearly 2 weeks. Great are you, Lord. You are great to me. Father, you are great are you, Lord. Father, you reign. I like how this oil has helped my hair really get rid of the dandruff, and it's really nice. Help my scalp. It darkens the hair as well. My hair is really dark. See, but I don't know whether it's shedding my hair off. Like, it's what I've lost so far. I don't know. Started using it last week. Great are you, Lord. So this one is done. So I'll head over to the other side.